Leaf Breeze Cement Block, the breath of nature in your living space. Enjoy the refreshing natural breeze and abundant sunlight with the Leaf Breeze Cement Block, a delicate design inspired by the elegance of nature. Its soft, well-balanced lines not only create an artistic focal point but also bring ventilation and a sense of tranquility to any space. With superior durability thanks to advanced static pressing technology, each Viettiles Breeze Cement Block is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly resistant and long-lasting over time. Your space will always remain cool, airy, and filled with natural light, reducing energy consumption while creating a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. Turn your space into an inspiring work of art. Inbox us now for consultation or visit the Viettiles showroom to explore our wide range of Breeze Cement Block designs.